Galeon, known for performance, innovation, and luxury. I want to point out a few very cool features on the Galeon yachts here today. And we're going to start on the 435 GTO. The largest in the GTO lineup, this is the 435. This boat is no exception. It's really impressive, and as you would expect with Galeon, we have balconies, or we call it beach mode. So we have balconies both port and starboard side. This boat can be completely opened up as it is now or completely closed in, depending on the kind of weather you're in. We're here in Florida. It's nice to have all the shade that you get here and the air conditioning, but you have it your way. The 435 is a great boat. The 375, it's the middle of the GTO lineup. It's a fantastic boat. Uniquely, it's a great day boat, but also a great boat for overnights. You have sleeping accommodations for 4 down below. You have great range with this boat. You have the ability to roll up windows both port and starboard and close the sunroof or have it open as you see it today. 450 HTC. This is a fantastic express cruiser, which would be typical to a Galeon. We have balconies both port and starboard. We have a barbecue grill aft. Forward, there's 2 staterooms, each with their own head, so easily you could cruise 2 couples. Perfect overnight boat, great day boat. Whether you're cruising lakes, rivers, or the coast, the 450 HTC is a great option in the 40 to 50 foot size range. They call this model the 500 Fly. This boat is full of innovation. I'm standing on the hydraulic swim platform that you can easily have a tender or a jet ski on. And here, this opens up into a tender garage. Unheard of in a boat of this size. Very versatile. 3 stateroom boat, 2 heads, great fly bridge, incredible performance and range. The Galeon 500 Fly. Best in class, 56 fly, largest fly bridge, tons of flexibility. I just want to point out a really neat feature. I'm standing at the wet bar here. We have a grill, we have a deep freezer, a nice sink here, ice maker, and refrigerator. Perfect for entertaining. I'm in the engine room of the Galeon 680 Fly. I want to tell you about 2 cool features. MAN 1200 V8s. This boat performs beautifully. 26 knot cruise, top speed around 30 knots, really impressive. 64 Fly. 2 cool features to this 4 stateroom, huge yacht is we have a bar both on the port side and the starboard side. Thank you for joining us for the walkthrough on the Galeon lineup. For more information, please visit MarineMax.com.